Ash, can you explain to the camera what's happening right now?
It is pouring, and we are having a massive leak. All over here, it's leaking and pouring down water.
Everything is turning.
It's a torrential downpour out there.
Drops are falling on my head.
What we have here is a double leak. We have two streams coming down and hitting the floor at the same time. So we have an extra large bucket here to catch the water, world race style.
And this is in what building? What's happening in this building?
This is our bedroom, where people sleep, /living room, /eating area, /everything.
This is where we do feedback. This is where we pray. This is where we have book club.
It rains, one shadow's darken my day. You will carry me through it all, and even when the storms of this life are unfair, every time it rains, one shadow's darken my day.
This is our drinking water.
It's self-fetching water.
This is our shower right now.
For the lights?
Believe it or not, more water pressure here than out there.
Got that right.